Tinutuligsa nga ngayon ang sikat na content creator na si Sir Gavin. Ito'y dahil sa isang content na hindi nagustuhan ng mga netizen. Well, deleted na ang nasabing video dahil na rin sa sobrang tinatamasa nito na pagtuligsa. Ilan dito ang mga opinyon at komento ng mga netizen. Mula kay Harsh Costello, yung recent content ni Sir Gavin ang alarming. It's something that can't just be brushed off. Out of all the content ideas out there, bakit inappropriate joke pa? And to top it off, why involve a child in something so inappropriate? Kahit simpleng usapan o upuan lang yan, alam ng lahat na nakabastusan intent ng video. Given the fact that there are so many predators online, it's downright irresponsible. Sorry yung natapakan ko ang humor nyo, sadyang alarming lang na ginamit nyo yung bata para doon. Sa panahon ngayon where predators lurk in the shadows of every digital corner, even harmless pics na kumakain, naglalaro, etc. lang, yung bata becomes ammunition for exploitation. So what more a video of a child sitting and sliding down a sexualized prop? Don't forget na usually nasisist from convicted predators or seemingly innocent photos and videos of children that parents think it's safe to post kasi akala nila walang mali. Pero sa mata ng mga predator, these images can be twisted and exploited. In this case, what makes it worse is the fact that an adult, someone who should be looking out for the child's safety, use them for inappropriate joke, putting them at risk. Mula naman dito kay Mami Mika Grace, ang baho ng humor mo, teacher ka pa man din, Sir Gavin. Isang netizen ang naglabas ng pagkadismaya sa Facebook matapos makita ang video ng content creator at guro na si Sir Gavin na may caption na slide. Tinanggal na ang naturang video mula sa kanyang page. Ang nasabi nga pong comment ay mula kay Chi. Ayon sa netizen, makikita raw sa video na pinaupo ni Sir Gavin ang isang blank sa isang upo, ang tinawag na di umano'y blank chair. Kita rin umano ang paggalaw ng upuan habang nakaupo ang bata. Isang bagay na mariing kinundinan ng netizen dahil aniya ang daming pedo online na pwedeng samantalahin yung ganitong klase ng content. Dagdag pa ng netizen, teacher ka pa naman pero parang wala kang pinag-aralan. Tandaan nyo, responsibilidad nyong mga matatanda na protektahan ng mga bata. Yung ginawa mo malinaw na exploitation. Ginagamit mo pa yung bata para sa view at pera. Nakakadiri ka. Nanawagan din ng netizen sa Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD Women and Children Cyber Protection Unit at sa Philippine National Police or PNP Women and Children Protection Center para imbestigahan ang insidente. Isa pang netizen na mula kay Taki Izayoy, sinabi niya na, Sir Gavin, I honestly don't see what's funny in your video. The humor is awful and putting a blank in that kind of situation is dangerous, especially with your wide online reach. You made a blank sit on a blank chair, showed it shaking and posted it online, knowing full there are predators who could misuse the footage. You're a teacher but this shows such poor judgment. You're laughing like it's all a joke. It's not. This is disturbing and irresponsible. Just because shocking content gets more views doesn't make it right. Don't call people overacting. Adults are responsible for protecting blank, not using them for content. This is a blank exploitation, plain and simple. Post nonsense all you want, but a child and anything blank should never be in the same frame. Not now, not ever. Well, ano masasay nyo dito? Dapat bang managot si Sir Gavin? Ilagay na ang inyong opinion sa ating comment section. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now.